Hi, this is your financial advisor, Erwin Leo Garcia. I just want to share with you our product that can actually insure senior citizen. Ayan. So, this is called In Life Resilience. So, this plan is a life insurance and also a health insurance. So, whichever comes first. So, for this example, I created a sample for a mother who is actually 60 years old. So, the coverage that I created for this is 1 million. So just in case something happened kay insured at magpass away, the beneficiary will get 1 million. So here, makikita natin na accelerated benefit. Ano ba yung accelerated benefit? So meaning the benefit will be deducted from the sum insured. So for this example, um, if the insured was diagnosed with a major critical illness, a lump sum of 1 million will be given doon kay beneficiary. So for this example, 1 million. So i-deduct siya doon sa sum insured. So ibig sabihin, nakuha na yung benefit dito sa plan. Then the list of major and minor critical illness, I can send it to you separately so you can actually review. Then for the minor critical illness, the insured can actually claim 25% of the basic sum insured. So for this example, since 1 million nga yung sum insured, so that would be 250,000. So up to two times yung claim, and the first and second claim should be to a different illnesses. So, hindi siya pwedeng parehas. So, for example, nagkaroon ng minor critical illness, si insured. So, the 250 will be deducted from the sum insured. So, ang matitira na lang is 750,000. So, for example, yun nga, nagkaroon siya ng minor critical illness, and unfortunately, after a year, nag-pass away si insured. So, the death benefit would be 1 million minus dun sa naunang claim, which is 250,000. So the remaining death benefit would be 750,000. Same lang din if ever nagkaroon ng major critical illness, nauna si minor. So the remaining major critical illness claim would be 750,000. So just in case nagkaroon uli ng second claim, another 250. So ang natitira na lang or ang matitira na lang sa plan is 500,000 for the major or the death benefit. So syempre for the minor critical illness, may mga notes lang tayo dito na for catheter-based intervention for coronary disease, the maximum benefit payable is 300,000. So, if ever naman need ng amputation due to diabetic complication, the maximum benefit would be 1 million. So, for moderate severe Alzheimer's disease and moderately severe Parkinson's disease, can be only covered hanggang mag-85 years old lang si insured. So, beyond that, hindi na po siya considered as a minor critical illness. So, for the in-shape cash bonus, just in case there are no claims, so walang minor or walang major claim, uh, on the 65th birthday of insured, makakakuha siya ng 8% ng 1 million, which is 80,000. So for this example, 60 years old si client, so 10 years to pay. Within the paying period, on the 65th birthday, makakakuha siya ng 80,000. So parang kumbaga ina-advance yung cash value ng plan. Then susunod is on her 70th birthday, 75, 80, and 85. So every 5 years. Ayan. So another benefits, yung booster benefit natin. So this is not deductible from the sum insured. So ito is on top of the sum insured. So the hospital allowance benefit, so that would be 0.25% of the sum insured, which is 2,500 per day. So just in case ma-hospitalize or ma-admit si client due to the minor or major critical illness, that's 2,500 per day. So for example, nagkaroon ng minor critical illness si insured at 10 araw siyang na-hospitalize, for example lang. So 10 times 2,500, that would be 25,000 on top of the 250,000 since yung example natin is a minor critical illness. Ayan. So just note that the hospital allowance benefit is until 75 years old si insured, ayan. So, the maximum period of hospitalization per policy year is 150 days. Ayan. Ayan, next benefit naman is the late stage cancer benefit. So just in case ang maging diagnosis kay insured is late stage cancer, so on top of the 1 million, since this is a major critical illness, additional 150,000. So please note that this benefit is only available hanggang age 70 si insured. Ayan. So, next is the critical illness buyback benefit. So, si critical illness buyback benefit is a second major critical illness claim. So, even if nagkaroon na siya ng first major critical illness claim, so pwede pa rin siyang mag-claim the second time around. But this can be only covered for cancer, heart attack, at stroke. At even if the first um, diagnosis or first major claim ni client is cancer, heart attack, at stroke, pwede pa rin siyang makakuha ng second claim. Dapat at least 2 years from the first diagnosis at dapat nagkaroon ng complete remission si client or maximal recovery before siya makapag-claim ng second claim. Ayan. So, then the maturity benefit is 1 million. Ibig sabihin, walang advancement or walang loan or walang utang sa policy. So the total maturity benefit for this plan is 1 million. So this is the premium. So for this plan, the minimum sum insured is 500,000. Ayan, yun po yung minimum natin for our seniors. Then aside from that, syempre, ito yung mga major and minor critical illness. So I can send it separately. Then, meron din pong savings component 'tong plan na 'to. So, parang nag-iipon ka rin po. So, while you are paying for the premium for the life insurance and the health protection, meron din siyang guaranteed cash value. So, just in case in the future you want to surrender the policy for whatever reason, meron siyang guaranteed cash value. So, for example, on the first year, Erwin, I want to surrender the policy. The guaranteed cash value is 254,262. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina sa in-shape cash bonus. So, there is a payout starting at the age 65, 70, 75, 80, and 85. Ayan. Then, you will also see here na meron siyang dividends. So, after 10 years paying, so makaka-receive si client ng dividends every year after. Ayan. So, 10 years to pay lang po ito and the insured can be covered up to age 99. So if you have questions, feel free to message me or text me. Ayan, ano ba bang uso ngayon? Send me a DM if you have questions uh, about this plan. Maraming salamat. Bye!